Nick's Adventures, yeah!
Hey everyone, welcome back to Nick's Adventures. Today we are back at the air show. You might have seen in the last video that we saw the plane, the Thunderbirds, fly right over us. I'm still not sure if I got good shots of that, but okay. Now we are about to see what's all left of this place. So, let's go. Holy moly.
Alright, look at me.
The oxygen regulator.
No, you're good. Yes. Oh, I'm just taking their picture right here. No, we're just taking their picture. Are you in line?
Oh!
Fly deck? Yeah, okay.
Well,
Okay,
you don't know how much they worked on this.
Look at me.
This window, you have to get a mechanic to put it back in, and it flies out.
Okay, now let me get you a case then.
Hey, what's in this plane here?
Okay, look here, guys.
Look like the names.
Jason. Hi,
Hello, everyone out there. Out the window. The car out there for some reason. Oh, it's actually in there. Oh, that's the taxi truck over there. Okay, here are the seats inside the plane. I've already showed you the emergency exit that they took out and had to get a maintenance guy to put back in. Anyway, these are one of the seats they would have to sit in. Right here, these jump seats, I think they're called. But yep, let's go see inside the cockpit.
Here?
Yeah, I wanted to work in the the maintenance hangar.
Yeah, maintenance guy, MP.
Holy
Yeah, there's a lot of jobs in aviation. Air traffic controller.
No.
Why not?
I'm gonna forget the word.
No, you'll do all right.
Or I may tell the plane to land at a runway.
So what do you think about this?
It's more advanced than the last video because this one has actual screens on it.
Wow, so this is an actual working plane?
It's a working plane.
Oh, what's your job here?
I'm a pilot.
Wow.
Yep.
Nice to meet you.
Very nice to meet you.
Oh,
Let's see, I know some of the parts here. The trim wheel,
Yep.
speed brake, thrust, and I have no idea where the reversers went, or is
Well,
it?
we don't get no reversers.
Oh no.
No.
Flaps.
this is a fueling plane, right?
What? Air refueling plane, yeah.
So you control all that from the back?
The boom operator would, yep.
Oh, okay. That's what he said. I was just verifying.
The rudder's right here.
Yep, those are your rudder pedals.
Nope.
Nicholas, you're almost ready to wrap it up?
Yep. And the fire that
Because there's other people here.
engine extinguishers.
Ready.
Okay, so this is the boom here, which is the piece that does the in-sky refueling. Picture right over there. This is how they would sit. They would lay down just like this, rest their chin here, and then steer it with this thing, with this what is it called?
Thingamabob.
Yeah, thingamabob. And then this is the thing that extends the boom out, makes it like pull towards the plane, and then here's all your controls for it.
You can barely fit in it, Nicholas.
I know.
More than what the airplane weighs, which is kind of impressive.
I have to get myself all the way back like this. So well, this is this plane.